time you played 150?
No, I wouldn't say that. I think they bowled exceptionally well today. I mean, up front, Quinton and I we found them difficult to score off. I mean, the wicket was a bit challenging, but you got to hand it to the Sri Lankan seamers, especially in those first 10 overs. They made it very difficult for us.
I mean, this is your 25th century and the fastest in terms of innings and all that. Are you even aware of these numbers?
Yeah, you get aware of it afterwards. But you know what, these numbers and those type of things have very little relevance really in the greater scheme of things. I'm certainly grateful that to get some runs and whatever else comes with it. But records are meant to be broken, so you know there's no sentimental value to it. So you just quite enjoy it and then be grateful and move on.
You spoke about the pitch being a bit tough to bat on and all that. What is the message that you communicated to the other batsmen in the dressing room? How much would have been a good target?
We felt somewhere about 270 would have been a good target, a defendable target. We weren't sure whether the wicket was going to get better as the game went on, certainly in the second innings. I'm sure if we won the toss, we probably would have bowled first as well. So the communication was just, guys, it's difficult to score, but we've got to find, and we knew that Sri Lanka had only 3 seamers, 3 frontline seamers. So if we got through the initial burst of the decent new ball attack, then we could maybe score off the spinners, and we managed to hang in there. And myself and Quinton and I hung in there a bit. And then when Faf came in, he had really good intensity when he batted, and we managed to get some sort of partnership going.
Shim, obviously fielding has been one of the key areas for South Africa's great success. How much do you think fielding contributed for today's victory?
Fielding. Fielding, we know, is an important component. If you want to win a game, generally you've got to do all 3 disciplines well: batting, bowling and fielding. So yeah, I think we fielded decently. A few mishaps here and there, but that happens. It's about trying to keep improving every game.
Quickly on a word on South Africa's chances. I mean,
yeah, we definitely have a chance. There's no doubt about it. I think the other teams as well. There's 8 very good teams at the tournament. If we hopefully manage to play consistently good cricket in all 3 disciplines, as I mentioned, then it'll bode well for us.
Lasith Malinga is making a comeback to one-day cricket. What do you think he fared today?
No, he bowled well. I mean, no, Lasith is a world-class bowler for many, many years. Yeah, so I think he bowled very well.
But you seem to be in great form against him, I mean, even in the IPL. So what is the key to it?
No, there's no key to it. As I said, he's a very, very good bowler. Sometimes you manage to get someone, sometimes you get out. There's no real rocket science to him.